Hey everybody, as always, a big welcome back to my channel and a big welcome the first time if you've never been here before. My name's Mike and today we are checking out this, what I believe to be an abandoned mansion thing, but I'm not 100% sure. So, little backstory, driving down some back roads there, I saw it, uh, got like a block away and I was like, you know what, I want to see if that's abandoned. So kind of coming up the driveway, you can see weeds all in front of the garage and it looks so overgrown and stuff. So I was pretty sure it was. I pulled in the driveway, um, walked up to like the front door, which when I come around the other way or whatever, you'll see there were some notices on the door, and it's weird. It says this office is now closed. So I thought it was a house, but like I'm not really sure. So like to me, it looks like a house, but maybe it was being used as an office at some point. And for the abandoned part, I'm not still 100% sure. So when I look in the front door, I could see like a shop vac and like a garbage bag or something I think was there too. But like it doesn't look like anyone's actually using it for anything. However, there still is a hydrometer and I didn't see any like access points, like sometimes empty houses have like whatever, or missing window or door or something. Now I didn't go walking around looking through the bushes. There very well could have been, and it would have been really cool to get in there and do a little, urbex exploring type of thing. But I like my lack of a criminal record, so I've been trying to keep that, pretty good. And I think this one may have been crossing over that boundary of break and enter versus just a regular trespass. So I will leave that to somebody else. What I do want to ask you guys, though, is ask the masses if anybody knows of or something, a video from inside this place. I'd love to see it. I'd really like to see what's going on in this house, like those skylights. Is there a pool under there? Or like, this is a really cool design of a house, and it's a shame to see it so run down. This is on the edge of a town or city, so my guess is this is going to get demolished and turned into, a housing complex. Right up in the bushes behind, or not bushes, sorry, rather like the forest, whatever, behind here is another abandoned house, which was definitely abandoned because it has like a missing door or window or something on the side, and it's all overgrown as well. So that one I thought about going in, but I just didn't bother. It was getting dark and hadn't had dinner yet, so had to get going. But yeah, so if anyone knows of anything, please do me a favor, throw it in the comments below, just a link or something on how I can find it, because it's such a shame to see something like this just sitting. And yeah, I don't know. I guess, the comments is a good spot for a conversation. If you guys were me, would you have gone strolling around looking for a way in, or would you have been like me and just kind of see the power meter and you know, kind of just leave it as better off just leaving it alone type of thing. Um, this fireplace, I got to tell you, is kind of a clickbait fireplace. That's what I'm going to call it. So it looked like a big, bold, massive stone fireplace, but that's kind of just some bullshit right there. Because look, it just made to look like that. And there's the skylights. I kind of wish that I flew down to maybe peek in them like a creeper, but that's where I was thinking maybe there's a pool in there, but not really sure. And yeah, you can see in the trees it was a little breezy, so this is just kind of a quick flight. The whole time though I was flying, I was thinking like, geez, I hope nobody comes out of this house. Like, what the hell are you doing or something like that. Then I guess I could flip it on them, be like, what the hell are you doing? You got this beautiful home and you're just letting it get all overgrown with weeds and brush and shit. So, yep. Hopefully gonna go out this way and do some camping. This is out like towards Kitchener area. Um, Bought a new trailer, so looking forward to getting out there and using it. For anyone that watches my videos, you'll know a little while back I said I bought a trailer. It was kind of crappy or whatever. Ended up selling that one and buying a nicer one. So still a used trailer, but it's nice. It's got like it's like 32 feet and really nice anyway. So once camping season opens up next weekend, believe gonna go on a road trip. few hours north though, and get some camping up there. And yeah, what a shame. I would love to have a house like this. This is why I play the lottery though. I spend way more money than I should on the lottery for that what if scenario. Just imagine if you won the lottery. Like, would you kind of consider that like a new birthday? Because I've thought about that before. That would be like your new birthday because from that day forward, your new life, everything changes. Everything you know has now changed. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Comment anything you want below. See you next time.